So for most of the best schools in Choba, just include the Olobo Premier College. I saw for them. Okay. I saw for University of Port Harcourt Secondary School, UDSS.
UDSS.
I saw for Sampaf Model College.
Okay.
Choba.
I'm here right with Chief Weta Siraka. He's a fashion designer, he's a tailor, he sews senators school uniform for schools, he sews in box. So let me show you some of the sample of the uniform he has been sewing. Sorry. So if you have a school and you are looking for where to sew a very cheap uniform, he can do that for you. Sir, can you explain more about what you do? Like talk more about what you do?
Yes.
This is school uniform, as you can see. So sir, can you explain more about this?
Yes, I'm a fashion designer by the grace of God. I sew natives wears like Etibo,
Okay.
Senator, all this Ankara, I sew it. But now I specialize mostly in school uniforms. I specialize in Choba. I base in Choba. That's my location. And I sew for a lot of schools in Choba. I sew for most of the best schools in Choba, just include the Olobo Premier College. I sew for them. Okay. I sew for University of Port Harcourt Secondary School, UDSS.
UDSS.
I sew for Sampaf Model College,
Okay.
Choba. I sew for Apris Secondary School in Choba.
Okay.
Then this one I am making now, this one I'm making is called Unique Brain Academy.
Unique Brain Academy. This is a uniform.
This is the uniform.
What you are sewing now?
That's just the one I am making now.
Okay.
But they are not finished. I'm just making it.
You are making your own
Yes,
process.
I'm in the process. Unique Brain Academy. I sew for Dominion Model Primary School, or in Choba. These are the schools that I have there. Every year I've been sewing for them.
For years now.
For years now I've been sewing for them. So this thing is that I am here, that anybody that is looking for a good and qualified tailor that can make uniform for their schools, I am readily available.
So school looking for a good and qualified tailor to sew their school uniform, you can as well contact him. His name is Chief Weta Siraka. So sir, drop your contact for us. Drop your contact on the screen.
My contact is 0706 862 4246.
Drop it again, sir.
0706 862 4246.
Okay, at his shop he deliver fantastic sewing. So school looking for where to get a school uniform, you can as well. Let him bring some of the sample. So hold on as he's coming back. This is what he sew. This is the ready-made, the one he has sewn. This is the ready-made.
This is the top, the shirt, the inner shirt, and this is the jacket.
This is the inner shirt. This is the jacket.
The trouser is there.
The trouser is there in the shop. So you can as well see this one.
This is the Unique Brain Academy.
See, Unique Brain Academy.
This is the jacket.
This is the jacket.
The shirt is the one I am making now.
This is the shirt, but you are not done with it.
I'm not done with it.
Okay.